Empathy is a remarkable quality that has the power to forge deep connections with others and bring about transformative change. It allows us to truly understand and share in the feelings and experiences of those around us, fostering a sense of compassion and unity. In the Bible, Romans 15 verse 1 provides a powerful inspiration for embracing empathy and using it to build compassionate connections with those in need. By unlocking this transformative power, we can create a world filled with understanding, kindness, and love. Unlocking the transformative power of empathy. Empathy is like a key that unlocks the door to a world of understanding and connection. It allows us to walk in someone else's shoes, to see the world from their perspective, and to truly feel their joys and sorrows. When we embrace empathy, we tap into a wellspring of compassion within ourselves that has the power to transform not only our relationships but also our own lives. By putting ourselves in someone else's position, we can gain a deeper understanding of their struggles, fears, and hopes. This understanding enables us to respond with kindness, support, and encouragement, rather than judgment or indifference. Empathy allows us to bridge the gap between ourselves and others, fostering a sense of unity and togetherness that can heal wounds, mend broken relationships, and build a more compassionate society. Embracing Romans 15 verse 1, inspiring compassionate connections. Romans 15 verse 1 serves as a guiding light for embracing empathy and using it to cultivate compassionate connections. It states, "We who are strong ought to bear with the failings of the weak and not to please ourselves." This verse reminds us of our responsibility to lend a helping hand to those who are struggling, to extend our understanding and support to those in need. When we embrace Romans 15 verse 1, we commit to being there for others, even when it may be inconvenient or uncomfortable for us. We choose to put aside our own desires and agendas and instead prioritize the well-being and happiness of those around us. In doing so, we demonstrate the true power of empathy, as it allows us to transcend our own needs and connect with others on a deep, meaningful level. Empathy has the power to change lives, both our own and those of others. By embracing empathy and putting the teachings of Romans 15 verse 1 into practice, we can create a world filled with compassionate connections and understanding. Let us unlock the transformative power of empathy and use it to build bridges, mend hearts, and inspire positive change. Together, we can make a difference and create a more empathetic and loving world for all.